Hello children, I am back. Your teacher, your maths teacher, Shalini Khanna. Let's start the division of fractions. Division of fractions, we have three parts. One is when we divide fraction by the whole number. Another one is when we divide whole number by fraction. And the last when we divide fraction by fraction. So let's see fraction by whole number. Example, I am showing you 2 by 3 divided by 5. Now, what are the rules of division? When we have to divide the fractions, basically we need this also as a fraction, first number also and second number also. In case any number is not in the fraction form, we give it the denominator as 1. If we are having a whole number, we give it the denominator as 1 because it will not change the value of the whole number. Now, second part, you have to change the sign of division into multiply. Second step. Okay. Third step, we do the reciprocal of second term. Please keep in mind, we do the reciprocal of second term. Second term का reciprocal क्या होता है? If we are given the fraction a by b, we will reverse it, it will be b upon a. So 2 upon 3 will be multiplied by 1 upon 5. Now you have to see whether we can cut any number or not. If we are not able to cut, we will simply multiply the numerator and simply multiply the denominator. Correct? This was the fraction by whole number. I'll take a question from your book NCERT exercise 2.4. Question number 3. I am taking second part. 4 by 9 divided by 5. Again 5 is not having any denominator, so it will be 1. So 4 by 9 divide will be changed into multiply and 5 by 1 will be written as 1 by 5. Now we cannot cut anything. 4 and 5 nothing common, 1 and 9 nothing common. We will multiply 4 and 1, we will multiply 9 and 5, it will give you 4 by 45, that is your answer. You have to check here one more thing which you were adding in, checking in adding and subtracting, that the answer should be in the proper fraction. If it is not, what do we have to do? If it is not in the proper fraction, it's in the improper fraction, you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay. Next comes to whole number by fraction. If I have to divide 15 by 5 by 6. Again there is a whole number, so we will give 1 as the denominator. So 15 by 1 multiplied by 6 by 5. Now 15 and 5. 15 is the multiple of 5. So we can cut it. 5 3s are 15. 3 6 are 18. So the answer will be 18. Next we have when we divide fraction by fraction. 2 1 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 14. There can be a proper fraction also in this question. There can be an improper fraction also, and there can be both mixed also. Right. So let's convert into improper first. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Divided by 14 1s are 14, 1 15 by 14. Now we will change. 7 by 3 divide will be changed into multiply and it will become 14 by 15. We cannot cut anything as nothing is common. So simply we will multiply the numerators and we will multiply the denominators. Now, this is improper fraction which will be converted into the mixed fraction. So, it will give you 2 8 upon 45. Okay. So, when you will be doing your exercise 2.4, same way we have to do all the questions. You can have a look at exercise 2.4. The first question I have told you how to divide a whole number by the fraction. In the second, you have to just do the reciprocal and you have to tell whether it is a proper fraction, improper fraction or the whole number. Then third, you have to divide a fraction with the whole number, and in the last question you have to divide a fraction with the fraction. So I suppose you can do 2.4 also very easily. Keep it up children, keep doing the work. Thank you.